Hi guys, I've got this vehicle here and I can see that battery terminals are really corroded, so that gives me the chance to show you how we should clean the battery terminals that entire electrical system of the vehicle can work properly. And these are the tools I will be using today. I will have battery terminal cleaner, battery terminal protector, and also that mechanical cleaner for the terminals. And I will start with cleaning the battery itself, the entire area which is here on the top. Now I make sure I'm wearing my eye protective glasses, and I will start slowly applying that battery terminal cleaner spray on both sides. This spray creates this kind of chemical reaction, and I definitely need to let it sit for like 5 minutes. And now, using my wife's toothbrush, I will start mechanically cleaning the terminals. Of course, I will not use my own toothbrush, right? Just kidding. Now there are two ways to continue. One of them will be to remove these both terminals of the battery and use this kind of the cleaner for cleaning the terminals, and then reinstall these two clamps. Or in the case that you don't want to lose your radio settings, or your radio has a code and you don't want to remove the battery terminals because maybe you don't have the code for the radio, the next step will be the cleaning the mess from the cleaner spray. You can either use water, but that's kind of messy and spills on everything, or I'm just using good rag. Yes, and I can see the results are fantastic. The spray really works miracles. Now look at that huge difference. We had heavily corroded terminals, and look how clean they are right now. This is fantastic. I really like it. And when the terminals are perfectly clean right now, what I want to achieve is to stop or at least slow down that corrosion from happening again. And that's why I have this spray. And that's the last step. What I will do, I will just nicely spray the layer of that protector over the contacts, and that will slow down or stop the corrosion for a while, definitely. So thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Have a nice day.